Hi, my name is Attorney Walter from the Third with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go into question 123. If you quit smoking, when and how did you quit? Okay, the judges are not big fans of hearing that you just quit under your own willpower. Now, with smoking, it's possible that you could have done that, but they like to hear that you utilize the patch, they utilize the pill, they utilize the gum, you utilize the person bitching at you over and over and over as part of your, accountability buddy, that you had a program that you were part of, that you were going to some sort of program, that you were part of something that you ordered, something that they sent you from the state, whatever. So that's what they're shooting for, and let's go through this. So if you quit smoking, when and how did you quit? I quit under my own will. Oh, what under your own will just made you want to quit? Well, I, stained teeth, bad breath, gray looking, have a smell to me, yada yada yada. Okay, fine. But bottom line is we like to see some sort of program that we can point to in the record when we write about it. All right. That way, if they write a fully favorable, they can say it is likely that it can be seen that the person quit because they were part of this program, which started on such and such date, etc., etc. All right. My name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, I go live on Thursday on YouTube from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Thursday. So if you have any questions, you can always catch up with me there. Also, if you, please like and subscribe, but please also leave me 5-star reviews on AVO, Better Business Bureau, and also the AVO, Better Business Bureau, and Google as well. All right. Have an absolutely wonderful day. I'll catch up with you a little bit later, and we will go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.